Hi, this is Sureka. Today I am going to show you a new material, Montessori inspired activity, and the material name is Touch Board. Can you see this? Just take one A4 sheet and using sand you can make this surface and you can leave the others half as such. Just spill the gum, right, and just sprinkle sand and spread it evenly. So this is touch board. Now, shall I show you how to work with this material? Yes. So first introduce this material, okay, to the child saying, this is touch board. This is touch board. Right? And you can show them how to carry this material. Before we start the activity, we can ask the child to go and wash their hands so that way it will activate their fingertips. Right? Now I will show you how to work with this activity. Now we can ask the child to take it over and work with that. When the child starts the activity, we should ask them to trace it lightly. Okay? As the child tracing it, we can say trace it lightly. Rough. Smooth. Rough, smooth. Now, we can also inform the child that they can close their eyes and do this activity. Like, they can use a blindfold or they can just close their eyes and do this activity. Right? So what do they learn in this activity? All they are learning the different physical properties. So in this they are learning what is rough and what is smooth. Right? Around 2.5 to 3 years you can introduce this activity. That is the time where their fingertips, that is the right time to sensitize their fingertips. They develop taste to work with personal activities like this. Right? Now I'll show you the name lesson based on this. This is rough. This is smooth. That is period 1. Can you touch the rough side? Can you show me the smooth side? Can you trace the rough side? Then the child will start tracing. Can you trace the smooth side? So that is how you can give interesting commands. You can ask whether you like rough texture or a smooth texture. So the commands can be anything interesting. And finally we'll ask, so what is this? The child will say rough. And we'll ask, what is this? Smooth. Right? So the kind of material here is very simple. All you need is an A4 sheet, gum and little sand. Just sprinkle sand on the one side and the other side you just leave it just like that. So this way we have an activity here, and that is the age where children, they like to feel different textures, right? So this activity will be very interesting for them. I hope you like this activity. Please subscribe to our channel and please share with your friends if you like this activity, right? Thank you so much. We will catch you in another activity. Thank you.